Hey guys, this is Amber Rain Davis from NotableInk.com. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am thrilled to announce that I am a new member of the Cut Cardstock design team, and I am so excited to be part of this group. There are so many amazing artists in this group, and we all do something different. So if you haven't checked out the Cut Cardstock blog, definitely check that out because there's so much talent there. Today I'm going to be creating a card featuring the Curious Metallic Cardstocks in 4 different colors. And I'll also be using the layered floral elements die from Altenew. So the colors I'm going to use today are Peacock, Magma, Night, and Cryogen White. And I've gone ahead and die cut all of the elements off screen. And I'm using 2 of the different flowers that are in the set and 3 of the leaves. And for the flowers, I'm using the Magma and the Peacock and black for the centers, the Night for the centers, and I alternated the color for the layers just so that there's some visual interest there. What I'm doing right now is I'm only gluing the centers of these flowers. So the only place I'm putting my glue is in the centers, and I'm sorry that I'm off screen for that, but I'm literally just gluing the parts together. But what I want to do with these, and you can see that amazing shine on these dies. When it's just laying flat on the table, you can't really see the shine quite as much, but these colors are amazing. But the reason that I'm only gluing the center of these die cuts is because I want to curl up the petals and get more dimension to them. For the leaves, I did the top layer in Cryogen White, Curious Metallic, and the bottom layer in Night, which is the black metallic paper. And I did that so that I could have high contrast between the flowers and the leaves. I have 2 pieces of Nina Classic Crest Solar White. One is A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and the other one I've cut down with the Honeybee Stamps Deckle Edge rectangle die. And I backed that with a sticky back fun foam and then adhered it to the card front with some glue. And I'm just going to arrange my flowers. Now, I had already played around and arranged my flowers and decided it needed a little something extra. So I added some hand-drawn buds there, and that's a Zentangle pattern called Catkin. I'm also a certified Zentangle teacher. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can see that on my YouTube channel. And then once I get all of these glued down in the arrangement that I like, I decide that I need a sub-sentiment. The Hugs die cut looks a little lonely, so we'll go ahead and adhere the Hug sentiment down and add a sub-sentiment. So even though I have that part in the center popped up, I was still able to do this in my MISTI just fine. I didn't think to take out my mouse pad there, you know, that thick piece of foam, but still it stamped just totally fine. So I conditioned my stamp there with an eraser. Just going to ink it up, and I stamp it twice to get a good impression. But yeah, it worked just fine even though it was popped up and I had the foam in there. And so here in the light, you can just see how gorgeous and shiny these papers are. I think it's an excellent type of paper to use for die cuts like this. Here's a close-up of the finished card, and I hope that you enjoyed these projects today. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe below so that you don't miss future videos. And thank you so much for stopping by. I had a great time with this project, and I look forward to more projects throughout the year with Cut Cardstock. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Notable Ink, and I'll link a couple more projects here for you to check out. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a fantastic day.